Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a business account on eBay. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you want to open your browser, then search for ebay.com, or if you're living here in the Philippines, just search for ebay.ph. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on sign in here on the upper part of the screen. And then here just need to switch account and then click create an account. And here eBay will give you a option if you want to create personal account or business account. So just go ahead and click business account, and here just need to put your business name, so samples, and then here business email. So just go ahead and put any of your information here. So business location, so here you can just go ahead and click register, and here you need to check your email because eBay will send you a code. So I'll be back once I receive the email. Okay, so I received the email, so I'm just gonna type it here, 37, as you can see here, 378013, 378013, and click verify. And then here you can create a username, but it is optional, so you can just go ahead and skip that. And then here you can now type your email that you created earlier. So after you've done that, just click continue, and then your password, and sign in. And then here, first you need to connect a Payoneer account, sync eBay and Payoneer profiles, add your financial info, submit registration info. So let's get started. So here you need to first verify your phone number, and then sync your profile, add your financial info, and for the last part, submit registration information. So after you've done all of that, you can now have your business account. Okay, so you just need to fill out these forms. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.